First off, I'm gonna prime my eyelids using some concealer. I like to use concealer because it's super easy. It also conceals any redness you have on your eyes, and then I just pat it with some translucent powder to set it and make sure it doesn't move. The next, I'm using Sephora Collection My Boyfriend's Jeans liner, and this is a waterproof, colorful shadow and liner, so all in one. This is perfect. It's not moving out through the night, so this is also why I'm blending it a little bit at a time, because it doesn't really move a lot. It's very waterproof. So I'm using my finger a bit to smudge it out and doing it on the other side, and then I'll just keep adding to it. I think your finger is the best way to warm this product up and blend it around on your eye, but whatever you feel comfortable with. Like, I'm going in with a brush and then making the crease and edges a little bit messier because it definitely needs to be more smoky and messy. That's how I want this look to look. I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look out of control and totally extra. I'm putting some on my lower lash line also, just to balance it out and keep the smokiness going all around. So I, again, am doing a little bit at a time and then blending, just because I don't want to get too out of control and I want to be able to control all the product I'm using. But it's totally easy to do this look. As you can tell, it's taking hardly any effort at all. It's just really easily messing up your blue eyeshadow, but it looks super awesome and edgy. Now I'm taking Sephora Collection Retractable Eyeliner in Matte Black. I'm applying this to my waterline, of course trying not to pull that much, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm putting it on my waterline, and then I'm also lining a little bit on my tight line too, just to keep it really smoky all around, because this is the look we're going for. I'm applying some mascara to my lower lashes, and not a lot on my top because I have some eyelash extensions. Then I'm taking another brush with some more product and really smudging it underneath my eye. I just wanted it to be a little bit smokier and more intense on my lash line. So that's what I'm doing here. Totally, you can control how crazy you get with this look, but I would like for it to be out of control. For my lips, I'm using the cream lip stain in 05. I definitely want to keep my lips really natural for this look, just because the eyes are so intense. Then I'm taking Sephora Collection Colorful Face Powder in Heated, and I'm going to be putting this on my cheeks. I really like to use the brush, kind of weird when I actually use this product. I'll like tap it super lightly on the powder and then test it out how much goes on my cheeks, because you never know how intense it is, but I decided to put more on and just kind of layer it to however much you want. I like it to be super natural looking and light, and just seems like my skin is really shining through. Next up is Sephora Collection Colorful Eyeshadow in Early Frost. And this color has a little bit of a blue undertone in it, so that's why I'm putting this on my inner corner to brighten it up. I'm highlighting underneath my brow bone with that, and I'm just using my finger. I like how messy and easy this is. And then I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelids just to add a little bit of glow and dimension to it, and this makes it look amazing. This color is awesome with the blue. I would totally recommend it, because that's obviously what I'm doing. So if you want to recreate this look, all the products that I used are going to be linked in the description box below, and make sure to follow Sephora Collection on Instagram, because these are amazing products that are super easy to use. As you can tell, it was so simple and easy to create this dramatic and bold, fun look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you guys so much for watching.